Hey guys, so a new compact rugged device has been added to the best compact devices of 2024. Now this new rugged compact phone is called the Unihertz Jelly Max. This device is a compact powerhouse that punches above its weight. Anyway, let's explore its top features and specs. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So with a sleek 5.05-inch LCD display and a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels, the Jelly Max offers a clear and vibrant viewing experience. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking and demanding apps. The generous 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage provide ample space for your apps, photos, and videos. The phone also ships with the Android 14, which is nice. The Jelly Max doesn't compromise on connectivity, offering 5G support for blazing fast speeds. It also features Wi-Fi 6E for seamless wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4 for stable wireless audio and device pairing, and NFC for convenient contactless payments and data sharing. The device includes a robust array of sensors including an accelerometer, proximity sensor, light sensor, gyroscope, and so on. The device also features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and it supports face unlock. In terms of optics, the phone features a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 100MP main sensor and an 8MP telephoto lens for 3x optical zoom. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. The device also packs a 4000 mAh battery coupled with 66 watts fast charging. This ensures you stay connected throughout the day. The Jelly Max supports dual nano SIM cards, allowing you to use two different numbers on a single device. Additionally, it has a hybrid SIM slot, enabling you to expand storage with a micro SD card if needed. So these are the top features of the Unihertz Jelly Max. You can actually order for the device now. I think it's available on AliExpress for about $320. So if you're interested, maybe I'll put a link in the video description. Maybe I would not. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Unihertz Jelly Max? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next tech update. Peace out.